Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the engine computer, also known as ECU or PCM. So, now guys, let me introduce you to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Why guys? Because our goal is to save you as much money as we can by providing these videos. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe, like and drop a comment under the video and let us know guys what you think, if the video was helpful, any suggestions for the channel and all that stuff. So you guys have two different fuse boxes on a Chevy Cruze first generation from 2008 to 2016. First we're going to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, let's support it quick. I'm going to show you the first fuse box is under the hood, okay, right here. This is the one that we'll need, but some of you probably don't know, but you have one more, okay, next to the steering wheel, okay, right here. So you can expect to have some fuses there as well. Now, the fuse guys for the engine computer, okay, we'll show you. You have actually two fuses guys, two fuses. We need to remove that cover, needs to come up, so right here we need to squish in, okay, like that, and pull up, okay. Came out on this side and same thing right here. Perfect, just like that. Now we need to guys find fuse number, okay, we need to locate fuse number 2 and then we have one more fuse guys that we need to check. Fuse number 2 is right here, you can see 1, 2. You can use the clip, okay, the fuse spool right here, but there is one clip that you need to move towards the back, then you can pull it out. Now I will grab the fuse guys, okay, the fuse is right here. Okay, let's see if I'll be able to reach it, yep, and pull it out. Now this is guys the fuse. Okay, in some cases it's really hard to tell if a fuse is burnt or not, especially if they're not the clear ones. This one you can definitely see that it's burnt, you can see the element inside, but we can just use a voltmeter to verify that. And stay with us guys, there is one more fuse that we need to check. You can find this voltmeter listed in the description of the video below. It's a really good deal. So I'll have it on continuity testing on meters. And okay, let me show you what will happen now. Okay, when we touch the two terminals, nothing. And if it's a good fuse, let me grab one new fuse now. Okay, and I'll show you what it needs to be. So this fuse box guys, okay, you can find it listed in the description of the video below. This is a really good deal. So many fuses just for very affordable price. So this one now, okay, if I test it, let me show you what will happen now. We should get guys 0 because there is continuity. Right there you can see zeros, so that's perfect. Now I'll go ahead, okay, and install the fuse guys on slot number 2. Just push it in, make sure it's going in good. Now the other fuse that we need to check guys, it's fuse number 10. Okay, this 15M fuse, this is for the engine computer as well. Okay, this is the other fuse now. So let's pull it out. This one, again, you can test them. I can definitely see this one. Okay, let me focus. It's definitely a good fuse. So only one bad fuse in our case. So that's how you guys do it. Don't forget to install your clip here. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.